Introducing DFT's Basic-Check Valve, available in 1/4 inch to 2.5 inch line size at pressures of 450 to 6,000 pounds per square inch. Featuring durable stainless steel construction for reliable performance, contains an internal spring designed to exceed 1 million cycles, and a precision-lapped disc and seat for tight metal-to-metal shutoff with silent non-slam closing, delivering reliable all-purpose non-slam protection for liquid, gas, and steam applications. The Basic-Check Valve is economical and reliable, with low-maintenance performance across a wide range of pressures and temperatures. It's versatile for liquids, steam, or gases, offers optional soft seats for bubble-tight shutoff, and installs in any orientation. Visit us online at dft-valves.com to view our complete selection of check valves.